Hi, my name is Maggie Ray, and we're doing another segment of homesteading for the holidays. Today we are with horticulture educator Kim Rohling, and we are going to talk about a little bit about birds, and then we're going to show you how to make some DIY bird feeders.
There are two ways we can make a bird seed ornament. Let's start with a classic pine cone bird feeder. You'll need pine cones, twine or string, peanut butter, shortening or lard, which will be the glue for the bird feeder, bird seed, any type will do, I'm using a mix here, a plate or shallow bowl to put your bird seed in, and a popsicle stick or butter knife to spread your peanuts. Since we're still preparing food for wildlife, I like to wash my hands. When your pine cones are prepped, you can attach safe hanging materials like twine, sturdy cotton, or hemp. Yarn, fishing line can pose entanglement or circulation issues to the bird, so today I'm going to use twine. Next, you want to spread your glue. In this case, we're using peanut butter. Alternative spreads, if you have a peanut allergy, include suet, shortening like Crisco, or even sunflower butter. Next, you'll pour your bird seed in a shallow bowl or dish and roll your pine cone in it. Glue will pick up all the seeds. You're done. You can put them in the fridge or freezer to set, or immediately enjoy them outdoors. Birds that enjoy this type of feeder are some of our smallest winter resident songbirds, like the Carolina chickadee in southern Illinois, or a black-capped chickadee in northern Illinois. Downy or hairy woodpeckers will love to find any peanuts or sunflower seeds that are attached to the pine cone. White-breasted nuthatch and red-breasted nuthatch will use small feeders like this as well. House finches, house sparrows, American goldfinch, and dark-eyed juncos that will come to these feeders.
First, we want to start by we have to bloom our gelatin. I used an unflavored gelatin, and I'm adding a half a cup of regular room temperature water with 2 packets of this. Just follow the recipe on whatever kind you buy. Just get unflavored. And we're going to mix this until it is well dissolved. After it's dissolved, you kind of let it sit a little bit, and then you want to add hot to boiling water. And here I'm adding about a half a cup to this, and then mixing it. Now we want to incorporate it into our pre-measured bird seed, and then give it a good stirring, making sure everything is coated. After that, we want to place the ornaments that we're using on a pan. I did the tinfoil so it would be easy to get off, and then I coated everything in a non-stick spray so that it would easily come off. Next, we're just going to scoop into our ornaments, or our cookie cutters that we're making ornaments. Make sure they're full and kind of get into those edges on certain ones. When we've used up all the bird seed, you want to take something and kind of make a hole in there. So this is where you will run the string at. Pay attention to the ornament that you're using. Like those gingerbread men, make the hole and the snowman actually more towards the middle where it's thicker, so that when you hang it, the string doesn't easily break off. and then you'll want to freeze them. This will help everything set up. And then after that, we just used some jute string and we stuck it through those holes. And then we tied a knot at the top, and we're able to hang these outside for our birds to enjoy, making it a little easier to find a treat and just being able to watch them. A very fun and easy project that you can do at home with family members.
Okay, thank you for joining us today as we make these 2 homemade bird feeders, and we hope you have a happy holiday.